fact, I feel I catch them as a house. So show me performance, especially some kwa we are. Say they will see picky points, you know. Sanka house 8 million bear half of great Bianca by now. And can league, you know. Amo ana aji edition na so. This is about 25 matches. House of Folk, I we need 10. We draw 11. Mujenyo. We need 10 and draw 11. I lose 4. Goals I was share 17. And you 9 edietiano. Uditi Fima our plus 8. And on the points, you know, I have 41. On the torso and 9 on our league table after Monday 25. Now, you say House of Folk, what exactly is the problem? Especially some both here, DNT and games are official game with the house. Ever said, 2 points, the man said, or they catch up. 8 teams from done where now as a cover draw. And I said, especially I will fear no, DMPA and the problem no. Yabania Baba this guy. Nanu and Bernard Dombote, or your former player at the man House of Folk. I can't say the effect. I say, how's it, you know? At the best, now, what do you know, just yet?
I think I can make a class of phone. Ye Diani generation players are or generate ye Diani players are at Tuniba. And I will share a class of 14 way. Trust me, we have the best players and the best coach. Let me tell you something today. You have best players and I have best coach. It's in Yankasami Bisam, say, Yena to sing, Yena. Kwa edia ha class of war ya boy won matches the year pa last week said top things now omo da ye ni yan omo normal lusu na say ye winning na ye be da bibi say ye da the royal majesty to be afede ebe ni day ebe na miji say House of Folk Beko Africa biom. Trust me, if you are not ready to go to Africa, man, league na ye bono. If we are not ready to go to Africa, I don't think the coach no be say or be second. No, if you are ready say Beko Africa and ka coach no, or you ready say or the league, you know, the coach is ever ready, ever prepared.
Okay, it's Bernard Dombote, the serial killer, and this uncle me, and so a day or two a girl say has a good one of the best coach. Oh, Kuma. Let's use your good bout you want just.
You didn't say one of the best. Or say, Omukuta the best players and the best coach.
Okay.
One off.
As well as Masudi one of the best coaches.
Oh, no, say, or he's the best.
I see.
You see, I don't begrudge Dombote. Obiani ordinance abonkum ebe cheneje fie. Or you true and true House of Folk. And as at now, I'm not say he works for us, our arsenal. And he's almost like a PR person for House of Folk. So because about the club, and he only nyadia and kabi boni bi amfano. Also, I don't know how much me actually. But Rich, I think. In my honest observation, they don't want to get any credit. House don't have the best
coach,
players, and the best coach ever in league. No, they don't.
Okay, let's start with Didi. Is Didi not the best?
Remember, those two things win you the league.
Okay.
Best players. I'm not mobile. Best technical brain. Or two players. No. And if you have the best players, and the best coach, then how should have won the league? Easily. Well, those are the two main things that your league. But it is not true. I introduced the topic now. You saw the staggering statistics or the buyer about us. So, these are statistics, in your analytic viewer. It is clear what has problem is. Rich, see a bull league, ebe do some as a team, you've only conceded 9 goals. It tells you how solid we are as a team defensively. Solid. The whole season has a conceded 9. But in translating You not conceding too many goals. No? Rich, how can you win 10 and draw 11 of your games?
Or draws which wins.
How? I don't know what draw masters. Out of the 11 draws, if Saka has Etimia converted a move 4 into wins, especially games no at the Lagos Sports Stadium and the Accra Sports Stadium now, and Kahas will be top in the league. But Rich, in football, yes, say defense win you championship, goals win you games. Hearts are not able to win those games, transform their drawn games into winnable games because they don't score the goals. So how can Dombote tell me? Say in the league now, Hamza Isa, Wayo, Frank Abua. Then there's this one striker, Omokofa and free, I think Tamale, in the second round. Adams, BB Adams, Onfe Lukaku. These are has 4 strikers. Rich.
Man, has your 5 goals.
Asa.
Striker the whole season. Your boss saying 20 something matches, 25. That's your 5 goals.
Rich, that's why I did. Not only how many matches no started was this season. He was coming from the bench.
Yeah.
And he's one player, Oko has no. And now you're born a winger. Adecha you're born a striker. And now you're born a winger. He has not even been permanent. I even forgot to mention Prince. What is his name? Is it Prince Edukabna?
Edukabna, yeah.
That guy, almost I know, formerly of Ghost Stars. I better call him real infinity because of course born on board. Maybe I saw a bra.
Oh, that time I know only picking or has one pound.
So I didn't know, of course, has decided to sign him this time around, and he decided to turn into a disappointment to the club. Now, say, God, I mean, go with you on social media, say, or say, has intimidating the contract. We pay too much. Look, has the best goalkeeper on the local scene in Benjamin Asare. Ne backup class on Yarsam Ketwa in Solomon Agbeshi. Goalkeeper, only problem. Has defensive networking. I don't want to only think about defense line on the network. A more balance, you know. A more back four and more defensive midfielders, no. Until you add the likes of Kasim, you add the likes of Opon Frane, now the Ali, now the Piqué Akaho, then you add Amankwa, Ransford, and all the other players there, Amankwa, Befimo, or Ominaba into that bracket now. Has defenders, or more the role on the pitch to defend and give the team balance solid. Per the standard of your league, solid. But Rich, beyond that, 2 things that you go over: creativity and conversion. Big problem. Big problem. And go for take us all. Has a good game now. They create chances. Are those chances so quality? Yes.
A better result into a goal.
There are some few chances here. I'm say now you're marshal. I agree. But Rich, out of the 25 games I have in the Premier League now, what is the volume of has quality chances? Quality chances of creating a league. And then answer me beside say, who is has most creative player? Who will you mention? Martin Kakari, Hussein, Nansia Henry Boateng, and Aware. They don't have consistency of creativity. Shadiana Salif Di Maria, on consistent basis. Shadia at a point in time, player say Linda, or Ayama omu consistency. Shadia at a point in time, Obi say and Sabote. Ebayama has consistently in terms of anytime you go and watch him play, you know, this is a vibe here. You can't crunch since I did Maria Koi. Omu has to do a team to be creative to them. One, Martin Kakari, on your consistent. Hussein, on your number 10. He's on number 8. But because has a lack of depth, they force him to be too creative beyond what team here. On your consistent with that. And one thing a man has, Eto Seto say, Ekosi say,
former Ashgood.
Very mercurial player. Boba, you know.
I couldn't do no more.
Then they brought in this guy, Baby Joe, and the Koma, the Messi guy, no, too, quite, no. They know Obama, no.
I
forgot his name. Okoye. Even before he established himself as a prima donna in the house team, and on your deal, boom, and Okoye. Now they've brought in a new guy, the Henry Boateng guy. Honestly, yes, young. Young, uncertain year for the 19th Tibo, until you could see flashes of the potential. But he's not yet there. Until since Di Maria has a struggling to create Obia or what team or quality chances to score. And any team that lacks such consistent creativity, Rich, every when it comes to goal scoring, how said here, in all honesty, since that Togo by their biggest problem, biggest of all, has been their recruitment. And some time. And yes, they have not been money available.
Strikers.
But they don't buy the right ones.
Kofi, how's the folk? Only Masu did it on the Dinkoma. Also, dear pan a problem, especially some Huma. Because we cannot. That teams are more dance through and no result. Has a share. Never close the gap, no. When Jimmy,
Rich, I think that Masudi Dramani now see a little bit part of the problem. Plus, again, House of Folk recruitment a big deal. Rich, only.
Sorry, I work in Germany now. Canada.
I will say it.
Okay.
Only Hearts in Libya, Edin Como. Now compare Hearts team to a lot of Ghana Premier League teams now. Hearts doesn't have quality. Especially when you compare the Ghana Premier League teams. Hearts team, it's not close to what Kotoko have.
I don't know if they are the best players.
I'm saying don't take Chenadri. If you take player for player, bank for bank, Hearts need players quality that level. From goalkeeper, maybe that's the department Hearts will be better than Kotoko. Oko center back area, yes, their individual performances from the back. Kotoko have depth and quality.
I was talking about Sani Mohammed.
Sani Mohammed, okay.
Then fullback, midfield, attack has a problem in terms of the quality of the team. Which Senka has a Kotoko midfield depth in Libya. I'm telling you, Didi Dramani would have won the league. Last week, Ayala made a very cogent argument about how Didi, when he goes away from home, it's easy for him tactically. Because he sets up in a way, say, home team, the owners is used to be breaking it down. And it fits his team very well. What do you mean here? Watch us versus Kotoko. So has no bonus set up, say, Obebo, or say, SCB, Abo, what's his name, Mohamed Ali, with Chonum. No, about the midfielders, no. Obo, Opan, Franemu, Ejin, and Fifi. The job they have to do is to locate their wingers and find spaces of the runners if Mauli Wayo and the likes are playing. It is easier for them to do. Again, in terms of defending balls, no, almost a defensive knack, no, some midfield box, no, plus almost center backs, no, almost a defensive knack, no, to defend Rich. Plus, even their fullbacks, they do it and do it very, very well. The problem with House of Folk is that only fear when the onus is on them to open up and play one. If you look at the chances, people say has great chances. House chances from creating are not from settled play. Most of them are transitional chances. If you like, give me the assignments. I'll take my time. Last time I say, House goes watch this season. Most of those goals and most of those chances, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, me didn't come about how House of Folk attack a Bakunya chance. What's it against Dreams or whoever or a Class Stadium on? long ball player no koya go do goalkeeper him and a goalkeeper na che ball no. Hussein Adams. Most my friend is saying Hussein. Most of the times it happens like that. Transitional has chances. Transitional. It's not from settled play because they don't have that quality to do it. So for me, Hans' biggest problem is about the depth of the quality. No. When it comes to say whether Didi Dramani is one of the best coaches or the outright best coach there, will be a bit more Canadian. But in terms of merits and what he has to show, he's one of the best coaches on the local scene.
J-League with us.
Yes. Made work with Black Stars, right?
So
exactly. He is good. He knows his job. Even Krankofo they say can you do Dramani in the fast folk team now? Maybe it would have been worse. Maybe I'm done cry can say and come winning home matches. So for me, the most crucial thing is how you're going into the summer is to sort out and buy players. Because Rich, in terms of building any solid team, Biano, you want to do a few things right. The sporting side and of course the non-sporting side. Non-sporting side, you have a good edifice. It can be better in Puduman. And you're all controlled, or more environment. Or maybe a players either within that short time to go to the pitch. Again, youth team, you are trying small with the hours. You have brought in a general manager who is now going to see the day-to-day activities of Accra folk. You are trying to do almost everything right. Hearts have not lacked sponsorship because Omangasa Onano can now decide that some of his companies can sponsor and they have that links as well, which is good, non-sporting. The problem with sporting is that when the players come in, the issue of this year trying to be between players 3 months salary and that's what we need to look at. The welfare of the players, it's something that has been doing for a long time. 2, the importance of the sporting part is that a stable non-sporting area, unique account sporting, a push even on non-sporting. Imagine that I've gone to Africa. Even like Kotoko, I've gone Oman Koechi, whoever your sponsor is, you're able to leverage on it. But I want to in Africa, maybe. So they are at a point where honesty, they don't look like a team who see that they are at a point where it can be a make or break for them. I've not gotten the opportunity to speak to their new GM. But if I get to speak to him, me Bisane directly, I'll try to pick his mind to feel if they believe say baby omo do a crossroad. As omo year they take off. Omo year they can come down 2 or 3, 5 years. Because granted Didi Dramani stays for another 2, 3 seasons, not yet frustrated. Not the same place now, no contracts running out. And after they will be promoting hours. You've not still sorted the issue. Didi Dramani so the baby or no person call with the coach even at this age, and you're on a person call. He leaves the club. Now you come and gamble again with another manager and start it all over again. Maybe I want to show you about that time Kotoko assaulted to Tunifi because Kotoko is beginning to do that. Kotoko now have a long-term plan, at least from the governance level with the board, who will now constitute a management. Almost oversee the day-to-day administration. So Kotoko right now within that time, you've not sorted out this Sikasem because from what we hear, the people that make the financial decision feel like Nkophobia Boka at to club no so. So what is the justification to go and pay such amount of money that will not reap? So imagine all of these things don't marry. Kotoko yourself.
Imagine a hidden gay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe people.
Maybe Go Stars being summer text will grow. Then you see that as a club, Kwana will come from, which and truth be told, say talk me or impon realize still in Sikanesha. He's a business person before a football lover.
How did you know?
I mean, maybe our first guy be in Shemusa because I'm on one of the others.
Majority shareholder. Okay.
But you see, in all this conversation I hear now, yeah, you two already said, shit, Sika to be the room dadana. They've not done so well with the investment kakano the room in terms of players are on my recruit. You get it. But Rich, there's also the bigger subject of say to Sikano in the standard of House of Folk. and in the standard of African football can never be enough to recruit standard players for us. Togo doesn't have that money to invest alone in the clubs. So for instance, and no man you know quality house during Togo time you and then you Togo can even extend it to Ansan or Bebano. Has intimate maintaining quality players and has not able to buy quality players. And for instance, Togo ban and see share how consistent and the players are grow to become household names our Ghana football mumpo and has at me maintaining.
Every time we for Kobna. Oko free. Futunum.
Come Kizito Muko.
Come Kizito.
This at Atenga Koy. Ovoka Koy. Nancy I cray and Sabochu Koy. Imano Nete Koy. Benjamin Futukoy. Salifu Koy. And you see, problem no. And yet just has recruitment in Guam. But the club itself, and Asumamike, a case study for all the clubs in Ghana, which they don't have the financial muscles to build a very, very good team. They don't. Because after 2-3 seasons, even the ones who get it right will grow to become big players. Their demands will grow. Agents will expose them to good money how they can access somewhere, and they'll start putting pressure on you. Say, I want to go to Ethiopia because Obi the deal about say Ometia make $4,000 a month. I want to go to Rwanda. They can pay me this amount. AS police. Look at Rich Molamte. He is one player Gotoko got it right in terms of recruiting him. But Nimuye look at Kreb, you know. Because of what you maintain, you know. No. Look at Maso Bako. He was one player Gotoko got it right. But Nimuye look at Kreb, you know. You can't. You get it.
Some players, you know.
You can't.
Because you
can't maintain them. And now I know what say.
Somebody here.
Mamenka no credential. Your boss is in area. Player be say or say SB. No contract ewu. Yes, our house. In all honesty, young can club punch rail. Rich, Ujini says or says me. Obidi deal every Ethiopia coffee. Abba Tony table so say. Obeti me the deal of Haman as a free agent. Obeti signing on fee of $20,000 a good bottom. I'm here trying to cut $4,000 a month. Will he stay at us? And he said, in the quest of Emunaba, he wants to build a really some team. If he start to even lose the quality now, how then do you build?
Have you
I saw the
project nothing?
Yes, I saw this on Yako Sensu. Usapanana self Asianeko. What I never quite a bit about it on. You see, I was talking about Sani Mohammed. Sani came from school football straight to us, young chap. And a normal second, so these are the future of the club. But Rich, because he was special, we only 6 months. Over the 200,000 euros, how do you build like this? It's possible.
Electoral Ghana Limited, I say, Ramadan season, and as a month money way, and in Electoral at it in Yemen, so just